Hey guys, Instagram is a great platform to stay in touch with your friends and family. But what happens when you want to have a conversation with more than one people at the same time? So, in this video, I'll show you how to create a group chat on Instagram. Whether you are planning for a party or just need to organize a meetup, this easy process will let you keep everyone in the loop. So, make sure to watch this video until the end to learn how to create a group chat on Instagram. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up the Instagram mobile application. Once you are on the Instagram homepage, you simply have to click on the icon at the top right corner of the screen and you will be appear on your Instagram inbox. After that, you have to click on the pen icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then here you have to search for the friends, or you can select the random persons to add in the Instagram group chat. For example, I am selecting these two, and after that you simply have to click on the chat icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then your Instagram group chat will be created. And now to name the Instagram group, you simply have to click on change name and photo. Here you can change the group name and change the group photo. For example, if I am changing the group name, then you have to click save. To change the theme or anything, you simply have to click on the name of the group, and here you can see all of the information about the group. Here you can add the people, you can remove the people, you can leave the chat. Here you can mute messages, mute mentions, and here you can select the theme of your chat. There are a lot of themes given to us by Instagram. You can select any of the theme according to your preference. You can change the group photo. Okay, so guys, this brings me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.